My most effective resume for data science, or really even for most technical jobs, was a resume that I had where the very top, even before anything, just right immediately after your contact information, very next section was a list of all the technical skills. So Python, 3 years, machine learning modeling, 4 years, Keras framework, 2 years. Like literally just list out your technical skills. And I have a lot of technical skills. So I had it as 3 different columns because each column was pretty short, right? But consider a resume where all you just do is just list out those skills and the years that you had with it, right? And feel free to include other things in there, like, writing skills, 2 years, or public speaking courses, 1 year, or whatever, right? But let the recruiter, let the recruiter know from the very beginning, hey, this is my background and skills. I think these skills can help your company, or I think these skills are relevant to your position.